Hi, welcome to another video of Discounts series. In this video we will discuss about Wondershare Repairit discount coupon code. So before we start, you must subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from CB9 in future. First of all, go to craftail.pk website and click on Deals and Coupons button. The link is in description below. From all coupons categories, select Wondershare and then find Repairit coupon. Right-click on it and open the link in New tab. Here click on Click to Reveal button and then copy the code. Now click on Link from the pop-up. Here select your desired package and click on Buy Now button. The checkout page will appear. Here paste your copied coupon and click on Apply button. Congratulations! You have successfully saved 20% off on this software. Now fill up your information and complete the purchase and enjoy it. If this video helps you to save your money, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from CB9 in future. Thanks for watching.